Hi guys, welcome to Perimeter. Today I'm going to show you a way of curling your hair without a curler. These are the best heatless curls I have ever experienced. Let's see. So hi, I'm going to apply some serum to my hair. Okay, so now I've taken this scarf. This is a wet scarf. Like not very wet, slightly wet scarf, and I'm going to place it here. See, like a hairband. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I've divided my hair into half. So I'm going to roll each strand of my hair around this wet scarf and keep it that way for around 4 hours. This way because of course they look more natural than when you curl it with a curler. Also they are heat free, they are chemical free, हमारे बालों की elasticity भी lose नहीं होती, they are harmless. Also problems like मेरे पास तो curler है ही नहीं, problem solved, curler से मेरे बाल जल जाते हैं, problem solved, curler से मेरा हाथ जल जाता है, जैसे मेरा तो हमेशा जल जाता है.
Problem solved. So of course girls, this is like a blessing to all the girls with straight hair who really love curly hair. I try this out all the time. Just trust me, try it out. This is going to be the best day of your life.